Taking a look at an air purifier. We're here in the desert, and it can get to be, the air quality is great temperature-wise, but it can be dusty and there's pollen and everything. So this uses a two-prong outlet and has the power button here on the front. Uses a pretty powerful fan there that pulls the air through the filter and up through the fan, which I think is a good idea. It keeps the fan clean and keeps the air blowing in an up direction to help kind of circulate at the same time. Of course, you got a timer and you got different fan speeds there. But the big feature about this one, let's unplug it. The big feature about this is the filter. And I've got the filter. This one's clean, of course, but got a really good filter here. It's large, so it's not going to tax or overwhelm the fan. It's going to work for a good long time. Lock this thing back in, plug it back in, and set this to, and there's no other buttons, there's just those buttons on the front. Set this to grab air. You've also got a place on top here. You can add things for aromatherapy if you'd like. So it's a great filter, as you can hear, even on the third speed setting. It's not very loud. You can hear it, but it's not real loud. And on that first speed setting, you don't even know that it's running. Hope this helps.